Double-sided medical tape has enabled a lot of the advancements that have taken place in the medical device sector. It is what allows a medical device to stick to your skin even when you are moving, bending, and sweating throughout the day. In this video, we will dive into some of the unique features of double-sided tape for medical applications, including its versatility across different substrates, its strength and gentle removal properties, and how easily it can be converted into custom formats. Double-sided medical tape has adhesive on both sides of a carrier. Typically, one of these sides is designed to stick to skin and the other is designed to stick to a medical device. These types of adhesives offer several advantages that make them an essential component in medical devices and healthcare applications. One of their primary benefits is their versatility, as they can adhere to a wide variety of surfaces and substrates while accommodating different design needs. There are also many different types of double-sided tape available, allowing for different thicknesses, colors, and backings, making them adaptable for a wide range of uses. Their strength is another key advantage. These adhesives are typically designed to last for a specific range of days depending on the type of adhesive. Regardless of their duration, they are engineered to withstand challenging conditions such as exposure to sweat, water, or constant movement without compromising performance. At the end of that range, these adhesives are also designed to be gentle enough to remove without causing damage to the skin. Not only do they have to be strong enough for the duration of the application, they also have to be user-friendly to avoid patient discomfort during removal. Another significant benefit is that they are converter-friendly, meaning converters can easily die cut, slit, and format the tape into custom sizes and shapes that meet precise design requirements. This ensures efficiency in production and ease of use, whether the tape is needed for hand application or automated assembly. Finally, double-sided medical tapes are clinically tested and held to strict standards such as FDA compliance and ISO biocompatibility requirements, ensuring that they are safe for direct skin contact and suitable for sensitive medical applications. When considering whether to use double-sided medical tape, the decision largely depends on the application. If your design requires the joining of two surfaces, whether that involves adhering a device to skin, securing internal components, moving fluid within a device, or delivering medication transdermally, double-sided tape is often the ideal solution. Its adaptability allows it to meet both structural and functional needs while maintaining patient comfort and safety. Since every project has unique requirements, it's best to evaluate your options with a converter who can help customize the tape for your specific application. By doing so, you can ensure the final product is both reliable and patient-friendly, making double-sided medical tape a smart choice for many medical device designs. If you want to learn more about working with a converter or how to find the best tape for your project, feel free to visit our Learning Center for more articles and videos, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.